friends! Today we're going to learn about something really cool. It's called a variable.
Variable? Does that mean it can, change?
Exactly. A variable is like a little box where you can put anything you want. And later on, you can even change what's inside.
So, it's like a fridge. You can toss in any snack you want, right?
Oh, you and your snacks again. All right, check it out, Sari. You just made a box called Name and you put a treasure inside it called Samin.
Oh.
Now, if you want to see what's inside, what do you do?
I type print name, right? Print name.
Great job!
But wait. I want to put my name in the box. How about I am Sareen, huh? Name equals I am Sareen. Print name. Yes! I put a whole sentence in my box.
Perfect, you see? With print, the computer shows whatever you put in your box. Now let's make another one called age. Age equals 10. Print age. That means my age is 10. And now the computer shows it right on the screen.
Oh, I keep getting errors. What's going on?
Oh no, you've entered the jungle of variables. And in this jungle, you have to follow some rules. Standards and rules. Number 1. A variable must start with a letter, not a number. Number 2. You can use letters, numbers, and underscores only. But number 3. No spaces allowed. Number 4. No symbols allowed. Number 5. Don't use Python special words like print, if, or what. Alright, Sari, your turn. Make 2 variables and show them with print.
Got it. Food equals cookie. Fruit equals apple. Print food. Print fruit. Oh, now I'm hungry.
Oh, you and your tummy again. Now you know how to use variables and show them on the screen. That means you're learning how to really talk to your computer. Let's see what other fun things we can do next.
Hello, user. What's your name?
Hi there, awesome kids! In the last lessons, we were always telling the computer what to do, right?
Yeah, like when we told it to print stuff.
Exactly! We gave it commands and it did them. But today, the computer is going to ask us questions like, what's your name? Or how old are you? And it'll wait for you to answer.
Wait, like when someone actually talks to me?
Yep. We'll tell the computer what question to ask, and it'll save your answer in a special little box called a variable. Name equal input what's your name. This line means ask the user their name and store in a box called name.
That's so cute. So the computer's talking to me now. Okay, I'll type Sareen.
Awesome! And now, how do we show that name on the screen? Print hello plus name plus exclamation mark.
Hello, Sari. Wow, this is so cool. Yeah.
Now, let's ask another question. How old is the user? Age equals input. How old are you?
Okay. But what if I want to double my age? Print age times 2. Wait. What? I typed 10, but the screen says 1010. 1010? I want a 20.
Oh, that's one of the big things we're learning today. When you use input, the computer saves the answer as text, not a number.
Text? What does that mean?
Text means it thinks the number is just words, like something in quotes. If you type 10, it's not a number anymore. It's just text.
Oh, so that's why 10 times 2 becomes 1010, 1010. It's like it wrote it twice.
Bingo! If you want the computer to do math, you have to say, hey, this is a real number. And for that, we use int. Age equals int age, print age times 2.
Yes! Yes! Now it worked. The computer knows it's a real number.
You got it. Now 8 is a number, so you can add, multiply anything.
Okay. Now I want to print this message. You are 10 years old. Print you are plus age plus years old. What? But I already turned age into a number. Why is there an error?
Good question. You turned age into a number, and that's great. But when you're making a sentence, everything needs to be text. Print you are plus strh plus years old. By using strh, you're telling the computer, show this number like it's text, so you can mix it into your sentence.
So, when I want to calculate, it has to be a number. But when I want to print the message, it has to be text. Got it.
Let's write a full program that asks for the user's name and age and says a welcome message.
Name equals input. What's your name? Age equals int input. How old are you? Print hello plus name plus you are plus strh plus years old.
That's perfect, Sari. You remember to use int for age and str when adding it into your message. Superstar move. Yay! Now that your program works, it's super important to save it. If you close Thonny without saving, everything disappears. How to save your program? 1. Click File at the top. 2. Choose Save As. 3. Pick a cool name like hellouser.py. 4. Hit Save and you're done.
So, now the program is on my computer? I can run it again anytime?
Exactly. You just made and saved your first personal program. Way to go! Today, you learned how to ask questions, get answers, use variables, do math, build messages, and even save your code. That's a big win! And guess what? In the next session, we're meeting a brand new friend who lets you draw with code. Yep, It's going to be super fun! Yay! Hi, kids! Today something totally different is going to happen. We're not just writing numbers or sentences anymore. We're gonna draw. And we've got a new friend to help us. Meet Turtle!
What? Drawing on a computer with a turtle? Won't it take like forever?
No, don't worry. They call it turtle because it moves on the screen like a little turtle. And whenever it goes, it draws a line. Whatever we tell it to do, it listens. First, we have to call the turtle so it shows up. We do that with this line, import turtle. Now it's ready to go. Now, let's give it a name. I call it LP, short for Little Painter. Our turtle friend pops up on the screen waiting for us to give it commands. LP.forward 100. This means move forward 10 steps and draw a line. LP.right 90. And this means turn right 90 degrees.
Wow! So the number in the parentheses tell it how far to move or turn?
Exactly, you got it.
Okay, let me try. LP dot forward 100. LP dot right 19. LP forward 100. LP dot right 90. LP dot forward 100. Wow! It's made a square. The turtle moved, turned, moved again. This is awesome.
Yep, with just a few lines of code, you created a real shape that you can actually see. Now let's start a fresh drawing. When we type reset, the turtle goes back to its home and we get a brand new page, like getting a new sheet of paper.
Can we make it prettier? Like change the color of the lines?
Oh, totally. That line tells the turtle, draw in blue from now on. Let's draw that square again, but in blue. LP dot color blue.
Wow! It looks amazing now!
Want to draw another shape next to your square? Here's now. Pen up. Turtle lifts his pen off the paper. Go to. Turtle jumps to a new spot on the screen. Pen down. Pen goes back down, ready to draw again. We use begin underline fill before drawing and end underline fill after to color the inside. Now let's draw a circle and even fill it with color. LP dot color red and yellow. LP dot begin fill. LP dot circle 50. LP dot end fill. Look, it's beautiful, right?
It's so pretty! I can't believe it!
You can draw anything you imagine. Just practice and tell Turtle what to do. We gave it two colors. The first is for the line, the second is for the inside. And remember, always put color names in quotes.
Can I use pink and purple? Can I draw a heart?
Of course! You can draw any shape you want in any color. Just keep practicing and giving the turtle cool commands. How was it, kids? I think it was super fun. Now it's your turn. Grab your turtle and start making colorful, cool drawings with code.